Let's send it on over to Neda for a check on the forecast.
Well, we are seeing a mix of the sunshine and cloud coverage out there, especially with this view from our KPIX 5 roof camera. You can definitely tell that sun is up. We do have the daylight, but then some kind of gray, gloomy clouds off further out east. Now, San Jose, you're waking up to clear conditions right over the Golden Gate Bridge. Just a few thin, high clouds, making for some really pretty colors out there. Also noticing a bit of a breeze on the water. Right now, 30, 35 mile per hour gusts just across the water. So that means winds are picking up across the coastline as well. 52 in Concord right now. Oakland, you're at 50. San Francisco, 51. San Jose, a bit cooler at 48. And Santa Rosa in the low 40s. So here's a look at those winds coming in from the west-northwest direction. And at Half Moon Bay, 13 mile per hour sustained winds. Been seeing that number there staying steady for the past couple hours. At SFO, also picking up to 20 miles per hour. And then through downtown San Francisco, 16. The rest of the Bay Area looking pretty calm, other than Antioch and Fairfield, where you're hovering right around that 10 mile per hour range. Now we're going to see those winds picking up, especially for the coast and for the North Bay this afternoon. 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. That's when we could see a chance for some scattered showers for the North Bay and then a bit of a breeze. Half Moon Bay, you're staying breezy all day long, around 30 mile per hour gusts throughout the day. It'll finally die off later on tonight. And it's all associated with the low that's just hanging right here to the north of us. That's keeping our temperatures cooler than average. Also going to bring us that chance for very light scattered showers for 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock or so. For Santa Rosa, you may notice a drizzle. Parts of the Diablo range also could see those clouds hovering, and a few of them may squeeze out a few raindrops. But then by later on this evening, things are going to clear up. You'll see a mix of the sun, the clouds, a few light showers, and cooler weather. Temperatures are below average today for San Francisco. We should be at 64. We're going to be at 61 for those afternoon highs. Oakland also staying about 3 degrees below average. San Jose expected to reach 67 degrees today. Here's a look at your highs in some other neighborhoods. For Concord, 69. Fairfield may reach 70 degrees. 68 in Napa, San Rafael, 66 Pacifica, staying cool at the beaches in the upper 50s. Now your 7-day forecast showing after today, our temperatures are going to rise to normal conditions for tomorrow and then above normal for Wednesday, Thursday, and check out Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Looking ahead to the weekend, we are going to reach the 80s for many inland areas, and that's a look at your forecast.